Alabama history. Remember, it's okay to not know, but it's not okay to not try. All right, we're looking at this today in a different PowerPoint view because for some reason it wouldn't let me change slides the other way. I will send out my PowerPoint so that you can see it full screen. All right, today's expectations are to be attentive by using your good listening skills. Your hands and feet are still. Your eyes are watching the screen. Your ears are listening. Your mouths are quiet. And we're given 110% of ourselves. Today, you're going to be learning a little bit about some of the Creek battles. You're going to do some research by yourself today. And next week, we're going to talk about them in detail. So I want you and your learning coach to choose one of these battles: the Battle of Fort Mims, the Alabama River Canoe Fight, the Battle of Holy Ground, or the Battle of Horseshoe Bend. And I want you to do some research on it today. Find out a little bit about just one of those. Once you've chosen your battle and you've looked some information up, then I want you to put your information on a graphic organizer in your notebook. So you want to draw this graphic organizer into your notebook, and right here in the middle list the title of the battle, and in each of these outside circles you want to list a fact that you have learned about the battle. Once again, in the middle is the name of the battle, and a fact is listed in each of the outside circles. And that will be your exit ticket. All right, so I will see you guys soon. See you later, alligators. After a while, crocodiles. Bye.